YouTube. Alright, so this is my first video regarding my new project boat. So I'm here on Canyon Lake, Texas. It's a beautiful day, and I'm on Hunter 170 sailboat. At the moment I'm not sailing, I'm just using the trolling motor that you're gonna see in a bit. But what I'm trying to do is just to test the boat, because it's been a project boat. It had a lot of cracks, a lot of damage. The rudder mount fully was disassembled. So I got this boat from a friend. He did some repairs to it and I kind of finished. So today I'm on the water just testing it out, trying to see, is it gonna float, how it feels, what it's all about. So next time I can set up the sails and make a video about that and try it out and see how it goes. So let me start from the bow and show what it was done. All right, so here I am in the front. I think this is not standard on under 170. There is a metal bar all around the bow, and then there is this metal kind of rail. I believe there is a pulley on the front, and I believe this is for spinnaker or something was used. I don't know. I'm probably gonna modify this to use it for anchor, but we'll see. So here is the first big change in this boat from original Hunter 170. So usually this area all around is open, but my friend put plywood and fiberglass top here, so he created kind of like a cubby area or a little compartment there. So this is where I stored my battery and my my cooler and some other stuff. Right now I'm just fishing a bit, so I have some fishing gear here. So here is my cooler, and it's attached to these hooks with a bungee cord, so it can't fall out. But in the back of it there is a Minn Kota trolling case with a battery, just Everstart marine cheap battery from Walmart, but it seems to be doing fine. I'm still testing to see how long I have running on this battery. And there is the plug for the battery and the cable that goes back in to the back of the boat. So we'll see that in a second. So here I had to cut this hatch so I can fish the wire all the way to the back. So that's my setup for this cubby. There is the middle area right here that it's empty inside behind this wood piece. So I'm probably gonna cut 2 hatches here to store some more valuable stuff, and then the very front of this right there is going to be a hatch for my anchor, the rope and the chain and all that stuff. So we'll see how that goes. And here is my poor man's bimini just to keep some shade over the cooler and stuff. Alright, so this is my dry bag, goes here on the side, and that's all nice and handy. This is my life jacket. So here is the center board lowered for the first time. I see there is a hook to secure it so it doesn't retreat. That's gonna be more valuable when I'm sailing, but yeah, I just lowered it to see how it goes. Here I see there has been some glued things, but seems to be okay. I put the tape underneath. I may add the picture here. So the tape underneath is the splash tape for the center board, so the water doesn't splash back when you sail. So I'm just standing right now in the middle of the lake, so I don't have splashing. But yeah, so all these things are in place. The harpoon cleats and stoppers. I don't know how they're called, but for that's gonna be for the jib sail. So going back here, you can see there was a lot of cracks, so I can show picture here. You maybe can tell on the video, maybe not, but there is a lot of cracks here that have been fixed with the glue that's recommended for this plastic boat. I mean, it's plastic 3 millimeters, and then it's a foam, and then there's a fiberglass. So that's how it's constructed, this Hunter boat. So I fixed all. I mean, my friend started some repairs, and then I continued once he gave it to me. So I could have done perfect job here too. So you can't even tell that there was a repair, but I didn't spend that much time to the repairs, as long as they're like, you know, strong and stuff. So here is where is the biggest work that I had to do. So there was a big hole here in the rudder, in the rudder mount, and I showed the picture. So I inserted a big piece, kind of triangular piece of plywood that is fiberglassed, and 2 layers are carbon fiber on the top. And then once it was inserted here, I glued 2 layers of fiberglass here and in the front, and then now it's secured, and I lowered the rudder here, so it seems to be pretty stable so far. I don't see any movement or anything. This seems to be pretty sturdy. The rudder, actually the tiller has that clutch, which I'm very happy about. Once I go to like longer sails or something later on, hopefully, it can stay, you know, and kind of stay on the course depending how much you tied it or loosen it. And the rope goes here to this pulley, and then to this stop cleat right here, so you can release it and you know, have it go. There is extension. This might be the original extension tiller. It goes all the way to here, where the, you know, to the center main sheet cleat is. So it seems to be pretty good. We'll see when I start sailing, but this all looks good, really strong so far. It seems that my repairs will work. There was no motor mount, so that was another big thing here. So I had to build motor mount. So what I've done is, this is the stainless steel industrial shelf holders. So they're pretty strong stainless steel. So I bought a couple of them for like $12 or something. Then I used this plastic 1/2 inch cutting board from Walmart or Amazon, I don't remember, but very cheap stuff. So I put one here as a, like a, to support the shape, and then I did 3 combined here. I glued them together and created the shape of a mount. Indented a little bit here, so the motor just doesn't slip. And then this is Minn Kota 55 torque trolling motor. That it has an adjustable speed, variable speed, reverse and forward. And here is that cable that goes all the way from there to underneath in the hole, fished here. And this is where it's plugged. This is supposed to be a waterproof plug, and you can see the battery state. You can see it's just one step down. So this is how far I am. So we'll see how long it takes. But I'm just using these bungee cords here for this stuff, like the rudder and things, because I don't know how stable my repairs are. It seems to be good. I put some fenders on for the dock, and yeah, it still floats, no problems. All the plates, everything's there, and I really like it. So can't wait to start sailing. That's gonna be fun. So I'll record some more videos. All right, guys. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, once more. I'm gonna go a little bit, so I'm gonna put the speed forward to like between 50 and 75, and you can see now it's very windy, so we'll see how we go here. So I'm gonna go against the wind. You can see we're already moving pretty well. See it turning. Hopefully you can see, but so I'm gonna turn here. Have the rudder in the water just to test how it stands as we go. But I'm actually using the motor to correct the direction and stuff, steer. So there it is. We're against the wind now and we're moving pretty good. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. So it's decent. What I'm trying to use this trolling motor for is, as I'm new to sailing, you know, I need to have a motor so I can come up here to the middle of the lake and far from jet skis and fast boats and stuff, and I can, you know, set up sails and have room to make mistakes. So that's why it was crucial for me to set up this mount and have the motor, you know, going. So you can see it can be let alone. I snugged it right here a bit, so it's still easy to turn, but it also can hold the position, and I can even, you know, just let it go. So there's the boat ramp right there. I'm afraid to go too far because I don't know how much my battery, how much time I can go, you know, on this trolling motor, but I have a pedal just in case, but I don't feel like pedaling. So that's it. I mean, you can tell, moving pretty well. It's nice, quiet, you can't even hear it, so it's pretty cool. I like it. I'll tilt it now, so let me turn it off. So I need to like turn it this way, backwards, and then I can use the clip, raise it up. So when I sail, I can raise it up all the way here. I can put it down there like this, and now it can be stable here. I'll do some sort of a support so it doesn't only rely on this pin right there. So once I tie it here to this cleat or something, then it should be able to stay right there. Actually, if I put this in, I can maybe lower it even more. There you go. So this can be straight up. Should be enough for sailing, I hope. I don't know how much this boat goes, the back goes in the water as you sail, but should be plenty of room. I mean, the rudder is right there, so it's pretty nice. I like it. That's pretty much it. It works.